Welcome back to 23 ABC Sports. A new champion has been crowned on the ice. Tonight, in a defining Game 7 of the Stanley Cup Final, the St. Louis Blues make history, going from last in the NHL back in January to bringing home their first ever title here in June, stopping the Bruins from clinching Boston's 7th title after winning the Cup back in 2011. Well, Game 7, always the best environment in sports, right? And Boston didn't disappoint tonight. The first Game 7 in Boston since the 1984 NBA Finals, to the day when the Celtics beat the Lakers. But momentum, it swung right with the Blues. Jay Baumeister with the long shot deflected by Ryan O'Reilly, of course the captain. 1-0 Blues. He was the first player to score in 4 straight Stanley Cup games since Wayne Gretzky. Well, the Blues capped the first period with another goal. Alex Pietrangelo, with the backhander. It's 2-0. Credit to the Blues and goalie rookie too, Jordan Binnington, making many stops this game, 32 to be exact. Here's a look at another Blues goal in the third. They would sneak 2 more in, winning the team's first Stanley Cup in dominant fashion. 4-1 the final. Heartbreak for the Bruins, but a historic moment for the Blues as they sought redemption against the Bruins, getting swept by them back in the 1970 final. It took 52 years to be able to hoist that Stanley Cup.
You dream of this for so long, and you know, as a kid, I just like that feeling comes back to you of just like what it means to win this thing. And I still can't believe this. I can't believe I'm here right now and a Stanley Cup champion with this group of guys.
Professionals.
Ryan O'Reilly, your MVP, and so many incredible storylines for the Blues. First ever cup, as I mentioned, against the team they couldn't beat the last time they were in the finals. But the craziest of all is that the Blues team was at one point dead last in this league. Perseverance at its finest. Congrats to St. Louis on that win. Well, more good